Verifying your iCloud account is essential for ensuring your data is secure and accessible. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Access iCloud settings. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on your name at the top, then select iCloud to access your iCloud settings. Step 2. Sign into your account. If you are not already signed in, enter your Apple ID and password. Follow any prompts to complete the sign-in process. Step 3. Check for verification email. Once signed in, check your email for a verification message from Apple. This email will contain a link or code to verify your account. Step 4. Click the verification link. Open the email from Apple and click on the verification link. If you received a code instead, return to the iCloud settings and enter the code in the appropriate field. Step 5. Confirm verification. After clicking the link or entering the code, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your iCloud account has been successfully verified. You can now use all iCloud features. By following these steps, you can ensure your iCloud account is verified and secure. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for assistance.